Hey Jettie Rockers, welcome to Jettie Rocks Fishing. Well, today we're going to be doing another cleaning table segment, and today we're going to be cleaning a cobia. I did a how to clean a cobia video back when I first started this channel. I called it a nice cobia, but I really didn't do it very well because the camera was getting out of focus. I didn't get the whole fish in the frame. So basically it just wasn't a really good video, really how to clean a cobia. I even think I titled it How to Clean a Cobia, sort of. I think that was the name of the video. But we're gonna go ahead and redo that. We're gonna revisit that. We're gonna make another how to clean a cobia video, and hopefully this time I'll do a lot better job with the camera and you'll get the full view of the fish and how to clean the fish. So real quick guys, let's get to it, and I will see you all at the cleaning table. Alright y'all, well, I got my big old cobia here. Really nice looking fish. We're going to go ahead and clean one up. It's been a while since I've actually cleaned a cobia. So I'm going to go ahead and make 2 incisions around the head. It's about like that. I'm going to come in here. I'm going to go along this backbone. And cobia is what you consider a round fish, so they have a round backbone, so you have to go around that. Pop through right here, go up the tail. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're just going to slide this knife along this backbone. We're going to peel this meat back. Just like that. Just like that, guys. We're going to go around this rib cage. Just like that. So I can cut through here. There we go. And we'll come up here like this. Go on that rib cage. And voila. There's a big old cobia fillet. Alright, well I got my nice cobia fillet here, still with the skin on. So I'm going to go ahead and take the skin off real quick. I'm just going to start right here in the corner. Just run right along that skin. And it comes off pretty easy, guys. Just like that. Fairly easy fish to skin. And there you go, there's that. I'll get rid of that. Now I'll go ahead and take out these rib portion right here. Just like that. Take that out. You can just feel the bones in it. Take out what you need, guys. A little bit of that belly portion right here. There we go. Got the bones out. Clean it up. And we will chunk some of this up for the stray cats we got around here. Got Charger, Pussfoot, Cheeto, and a couple other ones I don't even have names for. Oh. Go ahead and give this to them. Alrighty. So now what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to cut most of this bloodline out, which is fairly easy. Just come right in here. Just cut this long. And there you go. Now that piece is out. Got a little bit of pin bone right there, a little bit of bone. And there you go, guys. A nice little steak, chunk, fillet, whatever you want to call it, cobia. All right, here we're gonna come along, trim this off. There you go, guys. It's awesome. A little bit more right here. There we go. There you go, guys. That's some nice looking cobia meat. Hey guys, well, I hope you all enjoyed that video. Just a real quick video on how to clean a cobia. And hopefully this video turned out a lot better than the last one. And I probably will take that video down because, you know, that was probably my first couple months of doing this channel. I don't think I have that many views on it anyway. So I'll probably go ahead and take that video down because this video is a lot better anyway. You really got the full view of the fish this time, and you got the full in-depth of how to clean the fish. So I hope you guys, you know, got a little bit out of this. I hope this helps you if you ever try to clean a cobia. Hope it's a little insightful. And I appreciate you guys very much for watching. Thank you so much, guys. You guys are awesome. I appreciate each and every one of y'all's comments, your thumbs ups, all the interaction that you guys give me. You guys are awesome, and I appreciate you. Well, thank you guys, and I'll see you guys real soon here on the water. Tight lines, Jettie Rockers. Hey, Jettie Rockers. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'd like to invite you all to go follow me on my Facebook page at Jettie Rocks Fishing, and also my Instagram page. I also have a JRF apparel page, which will send you a link to my Teespring page, where I have some cool shirts and some mugs. I appreciate you guys very much. Well, check out the description in the bottom of this video. I'll have the links. Tight lines, Jettie Rockers.